shampoo, and I'm actually going to follow up with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil. You guys can't see it, but this is what I'm using. Wig. I'm experiencing some shedding, and I'm kind of like iffy on it because I am still testing out this vendor. If a vendor tells you shedding with their hair, they're lying, because all hair sheds, natural hair sheds, hair that is sewn through the weft sheds. I already finger combed it, so it should be good. You guys can see it did return back to its, pattern. It did return back to its natural state of deep wave. All I did, up the ends to get the ends curling. This is going to be kind of like a deep condition. I'm going to put this in a very loose, so we're going to give this another whirl. So I'm about to, like I said, deep condition it, and I have not put heat in the hair or anything like that. I really just wear this, and if I want the hair to be bigger, I'll brush it out instead of combing it out, just to kind of give me big wavy hair instead of like, and I'm going to put a shower cap over it to let it sit for about 15-20, especially the ends, because the ends for me is what I noticed gets drier quickly. And like I said, this portion of hair is, there we go, curl smiler, growth oil. I actually put this in my natural hair, but it's still oil. We're getting nifty with a grocery bag, but I am going to use some on my neck, so it needs extra love and attention. So got this all worked in the hair. A small drop, that much, and I just kind of work it through the hair. We're gonna take the shower cap. Like I said, we're just gonna do a light little twist. And so now we're just rinsing out the conditioner that's in the hair. You see it still has the tint to it that I did. See, it's still Alright guys, this is the finished look. I used some Got To Be hair spray to set the edges. It's gonna dry overnight. Thanks for watching.